from the kitchen, they're calling you. Whip it up, shake it up, make it new. Voices from the kitchen, sing out loud. Turn it into magic, gather round. Tap, tap, listen close. Bang, bang. Flavors talk back.
Welcome back to Voices from the Kitchen. Today, our starting lineup: Basmati Rice, Tikka Masala, chicken seasoning, chili powder, butter. If this is your first time here, like, subscribe, and share into all that good old things. Listen, I'm gonna fool you guys here. This is supposed to be Tikka Masala. You're supposed to use chicken, but I'm using pork because that's what I had in the refrigerator. Okay, I didn't have anything else. I had pork. I'm gonna boil some. Okay, get us some more. We're gonna boil that rice. Let's get that out the way. Nobody cares about boiling rice. Boil in the bag. 10 minutes. Throw it on top, and let's go. Let's go over here and season up this pork. Remember, sea salt is only for an enhancer. It only enhances the flavors that you put into the meat. So you don't need a lot. You need just a little bit. Listen, I'm getting my hands dirty. Okay, I normally would use gloves, but this is early on, and hey, I mean, sometimes you gotta get it out the mud, get it out the trenches, and that's where I'm at. Extra virgin olive oil, you already know what it is. Okay.
We want to be healthy, somewhat, for the most part, all the time. This is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put this in this pan. We'll fry all this up. A lot of seasoning. Okay, if you've ever had tikka masala, the chicken, you gotta season it up. If you don't season it up, this is pork, but if you don't season it up, then you just got that. All right, there it is. You see, cut the
bag, shake it out. Listen, you have to fluff this, okay? There's a couple hands over there. I don't know if you saw that extra hand. It's not AI. It's a real human hand. All right, shake it up. Let all that steam out, okay? That's what you want to do. Boom. Come check on that pork. It looks like chicken. I fooled them. Don't worry about it. You don't have to. You can use chicken. I only have pork. Look at the flavor on it, all right? This is going to get it. Look, beautiful. Now we go straight to the jar. Tikka masala, straight from the jar. Sorry, got it from Albertsons as well. Throw a little butter in there. We're gonna throw more tikka masala. We're gonna add a little, if you don't know, to get the remnants, all of the remnants out, put a little water in the jar, shake it up, and then we're gonna pour the rest of that in there, okay? I'm gonna let that go down. I'm using all 3 bottles just because, or all 3 jars, because I love tikka masala. I love the sauce. All right, there we go. The butter's in there. I didn't put too much in there. And you gonna let that sit? Look at it. It's simmering. That's how you know. That's how you know. We're gonna move it around. That chili powder's in there too. So it's gonna help. It's gonna give it a little spice, not too spicy. But listen, just that simple. It's quick, it's easy. Took about 15 to 20 minutes if you want to try something different, and there it is. Voila, the presentation. So I did square, and then I didn't do the greatest. But listen, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. Thank you. Continue to keep coming back. I know you guys are liking the content. I appreciate you all. Thank you. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.